Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to service your Xiaomi Roborock S5. The filter has to be replaced every 150 hours of use. I'm going to take out the dustbin, and I just did the service yesterday, but I had to use the vacuum cleaner, so I couldn't show you then. But
dustbin removed.
and then you just take this, there's a groove here, then you do like this, take out the filter, and it has to be replaced every 150 hours or less, is my experience. You don't have to take this filter off every time you have to empty it, but you should do it every second week and clean it. I would use a compressor and blow it the opposite way, so it's going this way in, the air stream, so I would blow this way with an air compressor, but don't do it like for a long time, because there's a lot of water in the air from a compressor that will be blown into, and then you have to dry it. You just open this one like this, then you can empty it, and you put it down in like this.
Dustbin installed.
Cool. And there's a small tool here. Whoop. A brush and a kind of knife that is quite useful. Once in a while it says you have to clean the sensors. This is one of them. I just take a damp rag and just clean it off. And then you'll do the same here. Damp rag, clean it off. This is a sensor that detects if you're going off the edge. And that's 4 of those. And then you've got your side brush. It's just a Phillips 2 screwdriver. Yesterday when I replaced this one, there was no brush left, so it was pretty useless. It was just spinning and spinning. The main brush still was spinning, so it worked, but when it turns around, it uses the side brush to brush all the dirt into the main brush. So when you have to replace the main brush, these two, you do like this. Take this cover off, you clean it with your small brush that you have got here. Then you take it out like this and up. Then this square is going down here, in there. Then you take this cover on. That's how you do it. I'm just gonna show you what this small brush is for as well. So this is all new, the main brush. When you're gonna clean it, there's gonna be a lot of hair down here, and then you can use this one, slicing the hair, so you can get it all out. And there's a lot of hair here. And we'll do like this, and you can cut it off. Hi guys, huge thanks for watching, and I hope you will give it a like or subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Yeah, thank you for watching.